Lumens, your reliable partner.
This video shows you how to use VC-TA50 switching tracking target. There are 3 simple steps to follow. Let's look at the kit you need. You can switch the tracking target using a computer or laptop. Alternatively, you can use the supplied remote control. Step 2. Using the remote control. Press Auto Tracking On. Switch on the IR remote. Step 3. Using the web interface. Enable auto tracking. Click on the face of the person you would like to track. The red selection square will turn green. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.